Hey, what's up guys? Gordon Briley here, and today we're just going to talk about really briefly the landmine setup and safety. So this part's really simple. You're going to have a pin, you have two quick knobs, when they have threads going through into the rail nuts. And what we're going to do is show how to adjust, which is very simple. You just loosen the quick knobs and you're able to slide this to any location that you want. And these quick knobs are really just to get it into place and hold it temporarily. It's this pin that's the safety precaution. So there's holes all the way through the side of this. The goal is either the top or the bottom. If you're gonna raise this up, you want the pin directly below the threads on one of these knobs. So either top or bottom, doesn't matter. So if I'm going to move it up here, I just want to make sure I use the knobs to get it in place. I see that there's a pin. I put it through there and then I get the threads just above that pin. So it can't ever slide down once it's locked into place. So they work together. The actual rail nuts have a lot of clamping force, so they're going to do most of the holding. But when some of you guys, I know you're really strong, you're going to have a ton of weight on here, it probably would surpass the ability of these to clamp, maybe, because they are really strong. So this is your safety device to make sure that it would just go down to that pin and it would stay there. So again, it can be just below. It doesn't have to be touching it immediately. If it slides down, it'll just go onto that. So you might as well get it as close as possible, kind of resting on that pin. So it can be any setting with any of these holes. So I'll move it back down. Just undo those a little bit. You don't have to take them all the way out, barely at all. Move it, I can pin it, let it slide down, and lock it down. Get both of them. So now this is going to be held in place with that pin. So again, just to go over it, I will make sure that it's either just below the threads on this knob or this knob, and then you'll be good to go. It can never slide out.